I welcome you back again to another video lecture on C++ programming language, and in this video lecture we're going to look at define constants. So what do I mean by define constants? There are different ways you can be able to define constants, and the constants we are talking about is you can use #define, that is one of the parts, and the next one is the const keyword. But in this present video lecture, which is the part 1 of define constants, we are going to focus more on #define, the use of #define to define constants. So some declarations you do, you can do that using #define. Let's say and while you type # comes to define. So this will help you to declare some variables. And what it means is that they are constant, they cannot be changed. So whatever you define here can never be changed, alright? That is the one thing. Let's say I have defined x and the value of x is 10. You don't need to put a semicolon at the end. And the #define, let's say y, and the value of y is 17. So now, each time I call x will bring the value of 10, and each time I call y is going to bring the value of 17, alright? Then, it means that these places I defined these, they can never be changed, they are constants. Okay? So that is what we mean by constants, they cannot be changed. Now, I can use this while inside the main function or any other functions. Let's say I have int z semicolon, and I say z is equal to x plus y and plus semicolon. So if I call z is going to get this 10 and 17. Let's go ahead and run this code right here. And I'm going to put at this place escape character next line so that this can go to the next line. So each time I put escape character, there will be a space there. So let me go ahead and say out. And I'm going to put the result of z equal to, so the result of z is equal to z. So if I run this, I have to get 27 because the addition of this and this will give me 27. Let's run this code and check it out. So the result of z equal to 27, can you see that? Because these things have been defined. So we have defined these, and everything you define will be just the way it is. It will not be changed. Alright? So let's say, for instance, I #define. Let me go ahead and define another thing. Let me say #define name. I can go ahead and put any name. Let's say hello world. Alright, so this must be a string. So if you want to do this, you put it in quotation mark. So we're still going to look into strings. Okay, so every time I call name, it brings us hello world for me. Alright, so I put in name right here. That is the result of name. I said the result of name equal to name. Let me go ahead and run this and check it out. So the result of name equal to hello world. Can you see that? It checked off that. So that is how you do your own definitions, alright? So these things here are defined constants. Okay, so I believe you've learned how to define constants outside the main function. I can reuse it anywhere. You whether in global or local, you can use it on any other function of your own choice. So put this down. This is the first part of how to define a constant. I'm going to teach you later on how to define constants again. And I hope that you really do something here. So put this down on your own system, play around with it, and check them out. And in case if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.